Hi guys, welcome to my very first video. Today I'm gonna make traditional Chinese stir-fried rice. This is one of my favorite recipes because it's very quick and easy to make with just a few simple ingredients. But the outcome is always delicious. So follow along and cook with me. Our most important ingredient, of course, is rice. It's best to leave the rice overnight to let the excess moisture out so that you can get a slightly chewy texture that's perfect for fried rice. And here are our other ingredients: 2 eggs, 8 shrimp, 3 pieces of garlic, some veg including peas, corn, and a baby carrot. Last but not least, of course, scallions. For the shrimp, I suggest you buy frozen shrimp from the supermarket because it's easier to work with as all of its shell have already been taken off and it has more of a bouncy and chewy texture than fresh shrimp. I dry the shrimp with some tissue, again to reduce any excess moisture. Now I'm cracking 2 eggs and whisking them. Make sure you whisk them thoroughly so that they are more like scrambled eggs when they're being fried. Normally, I will keep whisking until they have a golden color and then I can see little bubbles. Before I chop the garlic, I always crush it because that really brings out the flavor and you want to dice it really finely. With the scallions, I'm going to use the whole thing, including the head. At first, I'm just going to slice it all the way down before chopping. The last thing we need to chop is the carrot. I'm using a baby carrot because I'm just making a small portion today, but you can also use normal carrots. Okay, so now let's get started cooking. First, I'm going to cook the shrimp. After 1 minute, flip them all over and cook for another 1 minute until they are nice and golden on both sides. Next, put the garlic in. It's important not to wash the pan in between so that we can keep all the flavor here. And now I will put all the vegetables in. And 1 teaspoon of salt. And then cook for 1 minute. And now pour the egg into the pan at a low heat. And then turn the heat up. When they are cooking, we need to keep stirring the eggs so that we can get a nice scrambled eggs texture. Once the eggs are half cooked, then we need to quickly put the rice in and stir it all together. put some more oil in. Stirring quickly is important so that all the eggs are mixed in well with the rice. Keep stirring for 2 minutes and then put in the rest of the garlic. And 1 teaspoon of salt until the rice starts to clump together a bit with the eggs like this, and then it's time to put the veg in. Put the shrimp in and keep stirring. Stir again for 30 seconds and then put in a splash of soy sauce. Around 2 teaspoons works well for me, but if you prefer it saltier, you can add a bit more. Just taste it after you add each splash so you don't add too much, because you can always add some more, but you can't take it out. Then to top it all off, the last step is our scallions. We add those last so that we can stay crunchy. And then it's time to serve our fried rice. At last, I garnished with a pinch of scallions just to give it the extra crunch, which really contrasts well with the chewiness of the shrimp and brings all the flavors together. Give the recipe a try and let me know in the comments below if you like it or not. Thanks for watching my video today. I will see you next time.